Hi guys, Terry here. I wanted to show you the Sewers Club, what came in the September kit, and I was just opening it up. This came before we left on our train trip, and I think the October one is coming right behind it, so I need to learn how to use my new sewing machine. But here's what is in the September kit. So here is okay. So they've got this here as a placemat. Isn't that cute? Black cat capers. It's got all the instructions. It's got the website. And this has a alternative. So there is a bag. So the first one is a placemat, or you can make a bag with it. So let's see what they gave you. Oh, and it is the October one. This is the October one. I was thinking it was September. So it must have shipped in September for October. So, oh, look at the fabric. How cute is that? Just beautiful. Haha, pumpkins with polka dots. Really cute. So this one's a bigger print. Oh, and then it's got the two little side guys. Isn't that pretty? So that should go together really quickly. And then black for the back. And then the matting and the thread. So really nice. So I'll have a link to their website. And on their website they show past kits too. So you can see what their kit consists of. But really cute. This is the first month I've noticed that there's an alternative. I mean, you can always make whatever you want to with the fabric, but it's just nice that they have instructions for making a bag. Because if you've got other fabric, you can make that. Here's where they're making the corners on the bag. So, really cute. So like I said, I'll have links on my website to their information. It comes monthly. I think I had canceled it for a little while. You can kind of tell it to skip a few months because you're behind on making the stuff like I am. So, really cute set. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. It really helps my numbers. And I will talk to you soon.